Shalom, la Bachayariyam Shal Yashala. Peace be to the elect of the nation of Israel, which consists of you so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans who are destined for salvation. First of all, I want to give all praises to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahushai Bahashem Chakodash, Call Halayim La Alahaino, Yahweh Bahashem, Yahushai Bahashem Chakodash. All praises to our power, which is Yahweh Bahashem, Yahushai Bahashem Chakodash. Yahweh be the true, almighty, and powerful name of the Heavenly Father, the world ignorant calls God. And his only begotten Son's name is Yahushai, the world ignorant calls Jesus Christ. And of course, I want to give double honors, of course, to the elders and apostles at Great Millstone. Shin Kabad La Shala Ahchyam Nawa was a Quanyam Nawa Shal Yasha'Allah, which has Shinya meaning double, Kabad is honor, La is two. Shala Ahchyam Nawa is our apostles, was a Quanyam is in our elders at Great Millstone, God Wallower Cub, Ba'ith in these times. Of course, Shalom la chesed, peace and mercy, la bachayariyam shal yashala, to the election of the nation of Israel. Shem Mahfa, my name is Mahfa, Mayan from the Great Millstone Plaintables camp, located here in the city of Philadelphia. Coming again with another Zapalathia, Ibaria Zapalathia, or a Hebrew prayer, Baha Lashwan Kodash, which is in the Holy Tongue, okay, which I received a actual notification from actually the camp where Asher, Machana, where Asher camp head, which is the Bach here in Philadelphia, which of course he said to put a prayer for the Ahchyam that are out there in the Bahamas, which are potentially will be impacted by that storm, which is Sa'ir in Hebrew, which that means storm, which is a hurricane, which is a whirlwind, being Dorian, which is a category 5, I believe, at this time. So I have, of course, a Zapalathium, a Ma'it Zapalathium, a we prayer, which I have put together, which you see here on the right, which I'm going to, of course, move and pan the camera around to bring the focus so you can, of course, see it, of course, take a screenshot, of course, do the prayer, and this will be for the Ahchyam that are in the islands, okay, out there in the Bahamas, okay. So let's get it real quick. Kawash. Let's give it a wee moment. Adjust this camera. Okay, so there's the wee prayer there, which it reads here, Yahweh Bahashem, Yahushai Bahashem Chakodash, which that is Yahweh, the Most High, in the name of the Son, the only begotten Son of the Most High, which is Yahushai, the word you can call Jesus Christ, by Hashem, in the name, Rechak Kodash is the Spirit Holy. Babu Kasha, Babu Kasha, Babu Kasha, you say that 3 times, which that means please, 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 Shemai, which is here, Thapalathia, which is my prayer, Aitha, which Aitha means no, or now. Wa is in. You have Panan, Ibad, Yum, Come, which is your servants, Wa, and you have there now the word Mashap, Wath, which is from the Hebrew word, which is going back to the Hebrew word for families, which the Hebrew word for families is Mashapacha. All right, Mashapacha, which means family or kindred, clan. So Mashapach Wath is families. All right, Mashapach Wath, which is families plural, and then put actually the ma on the end. Actually, Mashapach Wath ma, which means there. That suffix meaning the word under or at the end. it means there. Baha, which is in the island, which is Ahchyam, Mayan, Sha'ir, which is from Tempest. Okay, so you have it there, the Dapalatia, the Hebrew prayer, right there, which I'll bring it again so you can see even closer. Okay. So Yahweh Bahashem, Yahushai Bahashem, Rachak Kodash, Babu Kisha, Babu Kisha, Babu Kisha, Shemai Dapalatia, Aitha, Wa, Ganan, Ibad, Kum, or Ibadium Kum, which is your servants. The ma at the end means masculine plural for your. Wa, ma, shapach, wath, ma, bahash, baha, ayah, mayan, sha'ir. Okay, there's a Hebrew prayer for, of course, the akhwa, the brotherhood, wa, the families of the Ahchyam, which is the mashapach, ha, all right, mashapacha, the families, all right, that are in the islands, all right, baha, ayah. With that, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Rechak Kodash, and of course, double honors to the elders and apostles at Great Millstone who well. Shalom. May peace be with you. Ahchyam.